We're with Jim McDonald, CEO of Kootenay Silver, here on the sidelines of the Mines and Money Conference in New York. Jim, welcome to the program.
Yeah, thank you, Daniela. Pleasure to be here.
Yeah, so learning about Kootenay Silver here, you're an exploration company focused in Mexico. You have a few properties. You have a JV with Pan American Silver with the Negra mine,
right,
and you also own the La Cigarra mine. Let's talk about these properties here.
Yeah, okay, so two projects. La Negra is part of a bigger project called Promontorial. We have a resource established there, two discoveries on that same property that we made over the last few years. And between the two projects, we have 140 million silver equivalent ounces in measured indicated resource category already established. We have a third discovery, which is La Negra, which we don't have a resource estimate on yet, but we will have by the end of the year. We've retained 100% of the La Cigarra project. We're operating that project, which is situated in the Parel district of Chihuahua. And then the La Negra project is being operated under a JV with Pan American Silver, whereby they can earn 75% of that project. We get carried all the way to production through that deal.
So how far away do you feel you are from production?
That's a few years away. We're at the resource stage, so we have to finish defining our resources. We've got tremendous upside in expanding these resources on these projects. So we have to go through that process. There's going to be a lot more drilling, a lot more news coming out. Then we have to enter into a PEA phase and then pre-fees and so on.
There have been security issues mining in Mexico in terms of access to roads and whatnot. How do you plan to deal with this in the future?
Well, the areas we're working in have no issues at all. We've been in Mexico for well over 10 years and we haven't had any incidences of access or any security issues of any sort. So we're in quite a tranquil areas of Mexico, let's say.
What about tax issues in Mexico? Have you had experience dealing with the Mexican government?
Yes, we have. We don't generate revenues. We're a junior exploration company, but we do recover IVA. And they put a new process in place a few years ago, and we haven't had any issues with our recovery of our IVA since that time.
We're at the conference here. What do you feel the sentiment is like right now in the mining industry?
It's pretty good. I mean, it's much improved over, say, 12 months ago, vastly improved. So we've definitely turned a corner in the cycle. And the sentiment is a lot different than it was. People are back investing. A lot of money's coming back into the sector, beginning to invest, looking to the future and the uptick in the precious metal prices.
Now, speaking of prices, most mining CEOs are bullish on the metals. What's your forecast for silver?
Well, we don't really have a forecast for silver, but we see it going a lot higher. It's a very difficult thing to predict. We look at the bigger sort of macro cycle, where it's at, like where are we? We've turned the bottom is what we believe, and we're on the way up again. So we're entering into a new bull phase.
Jim, best of luck, continued success, and we'll speak to you soon.
Thank you, Danielle.
And thanks for watching our coverage here from the Mines and Money Conference in New York. We'll have more for you on Kitco.com. Thank you.